We're back. New year, new trading session. Let's get straight into it. Let's get into the analysis. Let's do some top-down stuff. Let's have a look. Let's go to trading view. Oof. Get rid of these levels. We're on gold. Stream's going all right. We're fine. Let's go straight to the monthly, okay? The monthly big range. Is this, oh, hello. Is this the monthly top week for it to then continue down? Right? That's something we've got to sort of keep an eye on. We're 5 days in. That could be the monthly top week to then flip and go down. So what we can do, I'm going to put a level just here and call this monthly flip. Okay, there you go. That's our monthly flip. There you can go here. Actually, even before that, whoops, go away. Even before that, we go to our boys, the Forex factory. Let's minimize this for a sec. Just got to sort the stream out. Does that work? No. There. Okay, yeah, sweet. We're good. Sorry, we're good. False alarm. Do we have news today? Today's January 6th. We have no news. Let's go into tomorrow. Looks like we have no news. Let's go to our boys at Dominion Funding. See if they have any restrictions for the sesh. Doesn't look like it. Tuesday. Does not look like it. When do we have news? Tomorrow? The day after? Doesn't look it. Hello. FOMC meetings. Currencies USD. So this restricted event, we will not be trading this one. But that's 5 a.m. on the 9th. It's still a while away. That's okay. Anything else? Unemployment rate CAD and then USD as well. So that's, I mean, it's that 11:30 p.m. news. Little news sesh. Okay. But for today, no news. So it's just price action for today. If we're going to get anything, unless it's just waiting for... Unless it's just setting itself up for news. But anyway, on the weekly, because the monthly closed halfway through a week, that's sort of where the weekly looks. The weekly looks like it's in this bit of it. It's got a resistance set here, big strong rejection, and it's kept it. So if we get a closure above maybe here, or probably a weekly close above 26.65, I'd be more confident with the weekly and the overall trend continuing up. But right now, we're looking very sideways. It's looking very sideways on the overall trend. But again, it could be this little, it could be a repeat of this thing where it just went sideways and then took off eventually. So like you've got this little section here. Where is it? This area. Oh, that doesn't help. That doesn't help at all. But yeah, this area here where it just went sideways before it made a resistance and broke the resistance there. Daily. So on the daily, is this the monthly level? There it is. That's our monthly open is there. Yearly open is that level. Monthly and yearly flip, I guess. On the daily, yeah, it looks like we're in just a moving sideways range. We made a support, took off the support. We've now got a resistance. It's going down. Maybe it's going to hold and continue up, but I don't know. The fact that it closed, the daily closed a small wick, but above previous resistance, and this could be liquidity for it to come back up and continue to the upside. But again, it's really hard to tell. So right now, it's made a strong bottom wick that it looks like it's rejected off. So does that mean it's going to come back up? We'll see. 4 hour off. So it's all in this candle, really. The big move up is this candle. If we go back to the daily, where's the flip? That's the daily flip. We go to the 4 hour. Yeah, so it's there. So that candle right there. The candle we're in right now looks like it's running the daily, most of the daily run. But is this a liquidity grab to come back down? Because the overall trend is down. So if we look at the 4 hour, you've got a resistance where it's just gone down. Resistance here at this point, and it's going to keep bumping down. So if I'm going to put a resistance, no, I'll do this one. If I put a resistance, it's probably there. This could just be a wick. If we're going to go for a support, candle still open, so don't know just yet. Probably this. That looks a strong level. And then I'd put that as another little level as well. That's very much a strong level because you got a lot of noise around here. Came up, confirmed it, and then took off. So it'd be here and here as a overall 4 hour. If we're going to look at this, doji maybe there from the first to the second. Excuse me. Maybe, but don't know yet. That's the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour. 1 hour. Strong bullish bullish run we got here on the 1 hour. We're going to go here and here. We go that on the 1 hour. Then I'd actually put up there probably as our level. No, wrong one. Other one. There, I reckon. Yeah, that's about right. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. So you've got, that looks like the range we've got. Now the fact that it's just run up and it's got a strong bullish candle, but this is a previous resistance. Look, it's closed random cap. It's closed slightly above resistance, but still, there's this wick, and this could be liquidity to come back down. So it's really hard to tell. On the 30, yeah, I need closures. If we get a nice, strong bearish closure, sorry, a little bit of a test up and then a break, you could take this all the way down to here, I think. To about there, I reckon. So we could take sells down to here, depending on how this closes. So we've got 6 minutes until the 30-minute closure, so we could be getting something. We could be getting something. We just got to wait and see how this is going to close. Now let's go to C Trader. Let's open up Magic Keys, which we have. Physical version of Magic Keys. Look at that. We made it. We made it. So, and look at this. Lights up. Lights up, and then doesn't light up. Where is it? Lights up. Cool, eh? But yeah, open calc. Switch, and then U would be above whatever that is, and this is towards down here, I think, on the 30. That's our TP. 0.5, and it'll be, yeah, 1.4. Okay, cool. 1.4 lots. I'm fine with that. With around about that, but not just yet. So we've got 6 minutes to go. Let's see what happens. So it'll be it looks like it's a 1.4, 1.5 lots, and it's how many pips? 30 odd pips. Yeah, 30 odd pips is that much. We don't have much wiggle room here with the account right now, but it's all right. So what I'm looking for, this is a little bit of a counter trend trade, I think. So the 30 minutes going to close here. Volume is slowing down. We've got a resistance formed. It's broken the low. It hasn't broken the high. The technicals say we're going back. We're going back down. Okay? So depending on how this next candle opens, if it opens upwards and then continues down, then I'll be fine to take sells. Let's change this up. I'm not doing any of that. So I'll go 0.1, 0.25, 0.5, and then 1. What's 0.1%? Yeah, okay, or 0.25. We'll hang with 0.25 for now. So let's see how this closes. Let's see how this 30-minute candle closes in 4 minutes. And we could be taking a trade here. We could be taking something. Now, what's the entry that I want? Okay. The candle closes how it is. Depending on the closure. All right, let's see. So if we get a closure below this wick, right? If we get a closure below this wick, maybe around here, because it's a strong bearish candle, I'd need it to maybe go up, and then I'd be able to take it on the way down. But the way it's closing, the way it's looking like it's going to close, we don't take it. And this could flip up. If it flips up, it's... Honestly, if this flips to the upside, you could take a buy. Because you've got a big, strong... Depending on how it closes. We're going to wait for 3 minutes. Wait 3 minutes. Wait this 3 minutes. See how we close, you know? We'll see how we close. We'll see how this candle closes. We'll put it on here. We'll put it on here. We're playing with 0.25% because we're very low on the funds. A little bit of very slow, very low and slow. What I'll do, I'll save this template. Save. Perfect. White with magic keys. Sweet. Again, we're just gonna wait for the closure. We wait for the closure. And let's see what happens. Should we wait for closures? That's it. 1 minute 30. All right, let's go. Let's lock in. 1 minute 30. Hey, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. Okay. All right. We could be on here. We could be on. We could definitely be on here. What's the... What does the 15 minute look like? 15 minute is just down, down, down. This is... 15 minutes are making lower lows and lower highs. So it makes sense. The sell here, I think, definitely makes sense. Stop loss here. Yeah, if... You know what? If it breaks below... don't close with no bottom wick, please. Because I think I'd be pretty keen here for this one. 40 pips is a lot. Let's see how this candle moves, how it opens. Okay. Give me a wick to the downside, please. Give us a wick to the downside. Looking at it, looks like 0.5 lots. 0.5. Alright, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with going at 0.75, I think. No, I need a bigger bottom wick. I need a bigger top wick, sorry. Still hasn't broken it. Still hasn't broken it. Didn't break the low. Didn't break the low. Didn't break the low. Did not break the low. Close. So close. It's really trying. It's really trying to. Doesn't do it. Oh, that's close, eh? Alright, this, if anything, now tightens our little stop loss here. get a 0.1. I'm pretty happy with that. I've got finger on the trigger. We're waiting. We're waiting, boys. We're waiting. I needed to get to like about there. I reckon. 2642 looks like a decent level for it. Look, it was a previous resistance there. What's our overall trend? On like the 4 hour. Oh, wow. That closed no bottom wick on this one. Yeah, we're not touching that. Okay. Yeah, that's small enough where you don't touch it. No. See you later. That can go. Yeah. That's... Sorry, gang. That ain't it. So the session itself is in a slightly bullish trend. Okay? We're in a bit of a downtrend where it's gone there and then lower lows, lower highs. Now this high broke the previous high. Now is this break of the previous high liquidity, or is this break of the previous high a change in direction? So you've got resistance formed. Yeah, I think we're just got to wait until New York Open, unfortunately, which is half an hour away. 30 minutes away. Otherwise, like, if you look at it, so that's the 1 hour. This is what the 1 hour candle looks like. It's come off the back of a strong bullish candle. So, theoretically, there's no real reason for it to go down other than just going, it's done it before. And it is, I guess, a 4 hour resistance, and it's overall a downtrend, but the daily is maybe changing structure on the daily. So it's just choppy. I'm gonna be honest, this is real choppy. Take it down to there. It's what, 90 pips ish. $90 odd pips, or at least what there, 70 pips. What do we have? 7.75. What did I say just before? No bottom wick. 50-50. Not happy with it. Won't take it. How's it looking like? That's Oanda. What's Forex.com? Forex.com gives it no bottom wick. FX Open, no bottom wick. Pepperstone. Yeah, they're all saying no bottom wick. What else do we have over here? XRP's alright. Bitcoin gonna break the 100 again? Did it do that today? Not quite. There's the 100k. Not quite. It's trying, but I don't know. Anyway. Back to gold. Yeah, like, look at that. Imagine taking that sell. Bro. You'd be 20 pips in drawdown, eating a loss. No. What do the other brokers have? Do the other brokers have no bottom wick? Let's go to FTMO. FTMO, no bottom wick. Interesting. What's your max leverage here? I can hit is 5 lots. 600. 750. 700. 650. 650 is the max. So 6.5 lots total is the highest we can do. Cool. 6.5. But obviously we're not going to hit a 6.5 yet. We will later, but not just yet. So we just got to wait now. We just got to wait. Wait. And play with magic keys. Lights on and off. Fun. Fun. Like, okay, so now, okay, say for example, right now. Oh, what's the 15 minute? Is it going to break the previous high? Maybe. So say this is a resistance form. You've got an uptrend. It's formed a resistance right here. Where are you? This. Formed a resistance right here. You. Settings. No. No. Ah! Damn it. Go away. You are recent. That one. Settings. Set as default for object. Perfect. Okay. Now you are a resistance. Okay. This resistance has been formed. Make you a little bit bigger. This resistance is also from previous. Okay. It's right there. Now, if we... So right now, the break of this resistance off of this support. Okay. The break of this resistance... off of this support, if I take this buy, the stop loss, 50 pips, bro, that's just too big for me. I'm sorry. That's just way too big for me. Like, it's a 50 pip stop loss, chasing 25 pips, and maybe 50 pips to the high side on this side. Like, you're looking for a break of this, which is 27 pips away, chasing the 100 pips up there. I'd rather it form some structure around here, around this level, and then take the break of this high, because that looks like I say strong. It's a potential liquidity grab. We don't know yet. So right now, okay, as it stands, hasn't broken the low, hasn't broken the high, hasn't chosen a direction just yet. So let's see. Again, so the 15 minute, it broke the previous 15 minute, okay? Now, obviously if it breaks the 30, then you're like, that's more of a confirmation. Now on the 1 hour, it looks doji AF. Very indecisive, I think, because it's waiting for NY open, which is in 20 minutes. 20 minutes is NY open. So the pre-NY volume looks to have been this. But what would you take? Would you take this? No. How would you take it? Let's see. Let's do a bit of analysis here. You could put one here. So as it ran down. Okay. And then you're waiting for it to come up and come up. And you go, that's our resistance, but that's not really our thing. So you go here, I guess. You'd be looking for a continuation, if anything. The volume's lower. would you take the sell to continue on down? Why? The trend is down. I don't know how this candle formed, so I won't be able to tell if it went up then down or down then up. But the side, I mean, the candle itself, again, we don't know how it was formed. But would you take this break? No. This break, maybe. And it's 30 pips, yeah, potentially. Looking to fill this to 87, which it did in that whole candle. Would you take that, maybe? I guess that's the one you would take because you've got all these rejections. How did it look on the 15? 15 looks clean. That 15 looks clean. On the 15, that looks clean. Okay. Interesting. So here. What's this 15-minute look like? 15-minute looks like it doesn't want to break the high. 15-minute looks like it doesn't want to break the high of the 30-minute. And continue the 1 hour up. Because we're waiting... Because we're waiting for NY. I think I'll be back. That's a bit better. That's much better. How does a 15-minute close here? Decent bullish. Support formed on the 15. On the 15, if you're going to look at it, you've got a range here. Bro, it's not worth it, man. So yeah, if we can get some structure around this level, take the break. We'll see how NY opens. See what it does. So the setup that we're looking for with volume is, I guess, taking a buy to continue the trend to the upside. Maybe. Put this over here. Oh, hello. Like, you take it on the 15. You're there, and you're targeting a 20 pips for 24. Bro, it's not worth it. Respectfully, not worth it. The 1 hour, maybe. But again, I need some structure set up in this little area before we take a pew. Before we take the launch. But we're close. We're closing in. Closing in on potential trade. Again, our lot size is not that. It's maybe like 1. We'll see how this closes. 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes to see how it closes. Because as it stands, as you're looking at it, we're going to break the high. It's just going to be how. It's just going to be how do we break the high? What do I want? What do I want? Because this is a 1 hour. The 1 hour's volume is slowing down, I guess. The 30 minute, you've still got it there. This one was just, bro, like 100 pips. Crazy. just gotta wait.
We just gotta wait.
Sorry. We just gotta wait. Oh, whoops, wrong one. Not there. Oh, it's here. And then here we are. Look at this. Not in. Look, it looks like it's trying to go up. I think the sells could be on here, eh? Because the support seems to be formed. Support looks like it might be formed and it's looking to break it. I think the sells here could be on to 26.34-ish. These could be on. We'll see. Again, we're going to see how New York opens. Because you're about there. How's this 1 hour close? Quite bearish. So I think depending on how this 1 hour closes, we could be on for something. We could be on for something. Because look at this. Rejection. Rejection. It tried to come back up and continue the trend. Rejection. Does that mean you take this? The flip? Nah. With 5 minutes to go, you don't know what this could be. You don't want to feel the FOMO. You want to be smart. You don't want to feel the FOMO, which is something you could feel just because you've seen it happen before. Because you've seen it happen before, that people take the flip. And you don't know why. You don't know why they're taking the flip. You need a reason. Give me a reason. Like Cardi B said, what was the reason, bitch? What was the reason? Give me a reason. I need the reason. Why would you take that sell? I'm not confident in taking the sell right now. I need to wait 5 more minutes. Let's have a look at the 5 minute actually. 15 minute, nice rejection. 5 minute, it hit a demand. Yeah, a demand zone right there. There's your demand zone. Touched it, come up, touched it, tried again, and came back down. So I guess if you take that, that's 40 pips. Nutso. So the volume to the upside is slowing. Support, a weak support might be formed. The break of the low is very on here, potentially. Interesting. The 15, would you take that as is on the open? It made you 30 odd pips. volume to the upside is slowing. Because it could do, excuse the chair. Excuse the chair. I apologize. Tilt this down just a smidgy pidgy. What it could do is it could beat this little thing. Where you got a strong bearish, bit of a support, and then bear. So you could do that, but on a smaller time frame, and make new lows. And it's something it could do. Is this the fake out? See that? Yeah, sort of. Here we go. 1 hour close. 1 hour close doji. Momentum is slowing. Support formed. We break the support. You could take sells. It's lock in, bro. What we're wanting is break at that. Or not? There we go. Buys maybe? Yeah, I think I'll take the buy here. If we break this high, I'll take the buy. That spread opened up. Bloody hell. Alright. So it tried. So here, right here. It tried to break the high. It couldn't. There's no reason with volume for this to not continue to the downside. Okay? If it breaks this low. Or is it going to go up? Or is it going to go down? Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down. Which way are we going? Up or down? Up or down? Come on. Need you to make a decision here, Gold. Please make a decision for us. I mean, maybe up there, but it doesn't. I'll take profits earlier. Okay. So, we're trying either way. It's trying to pick a side to go. If you look at this on the 15, even on the 15, it hasn't broken the previous 15 high or the previous 15 low. It hasn't really made a choice. In saying that, this 15 high is also the 1 hour high. So it's a bit of a stronger level. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Nothing. Just a whole heap of nothing. Does that mean... Yeah, if you're looking at that on the 1 hour, you take the buy if it breaks the high on the 1 hour. Which is that high. Which is what we're looking for. On the 15. Come on. Here we go. 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 Damn. That slipped. Well. Alright. Well, we're in. I guess we're in now. The way I'm managing this is if... Sweet. That worked out really well. 20 pips. 20 pips, I will close custom, which is I think 80% or something like that. And then stop loss at entry. Time frame down. If this goes back to flip, I'll close half. And then if it goes back to the open, I will close half. For right now, I mean, look, it's tough. I bought it by accident. I mean, I would have taken that anyway. Screen. What did we say? Where is it? Close half. If we get to what's that? 19 pips. Okay, with a minute 30, I guess if this closes, if this 15-minute closes bearish, I'll close half. So I'll wait for the closure. Look, it seems to be trying to go back up. It's trying to slowly build a bit of structure upwards. So yeah, I guess the same sort of thing. What's the 15 doing? So we got to flip up and then back down. Yeah, if this turns green, then red. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that. All right, that looks like it's gone straight to stop loss. So here, I will close half. All right, that looks like it's gone straight to stop loss. So, no thanks. I'm gonna get out, cut my loss short, and take that and run. I guess cut the losses short. So what did we do? Where are we? So it was the risk. So we took a $300 loss. The initial risk was... What was the initial risk? Was like, yeah, 470. Initial risk was 470. We turned the 470 into just a 315. That's okay. That's all right. You know? Let's journal this. Let's journal this trade. Let's go here. Yeah, look at that. It caught me. It caught me. Didn't get a closure above. I took it like a silly boy. It's about there. And you, I'd put just there, I think. Alright, let's bet some notes. You are neutral. Trend is bullish. Took the break of the previous 30/1 hour high. Stop loss was below current candle wick. Took stop loss below current candle wick. Took the break of the previous year. Stop loss was below current candle wick. Went up about 11 or 12 pips in profit, then turned at resistance. 11 or 12 pips in profit, then turned at resistance. Went up 11, turned at resistance. Took 50% off the table when 30 flipped bearish. Took the full loss when closed the trade before hitting stop loss. Stop loss value was 478. Result was minus, where is it? Minus 314.62. Cool. Okay. That's that, right? Okay, that's the trade. Now that's there, okay? Now here. Post trade viewing. Okay, as I look at it, the resistance wasn't broken to indicate a continued move upwards. The trade we would have wanted is a closure above the 30-minute level marked, then buy. The trade we would have wanted is a closure above the 30-minute level marked. Felt a bit impatient / potentially over analyzed the chart. Positive is that we closed at a lesser result, as a smaller loss than originally. Positives that we closed at a smaller loss than originally anticipated. All right, there you go. Copy link. Let's journal this up. Date. Today is the 06 Jan. Oh God. Jan 2025. Time is 11:35 p.m. Nah, that's New York, my boy. No, it is. Yeah, New York. This was a buy. Oh God, how many lots was it? 1.09. Where are you? Here. Nope. This one. 1.09. The setup was a breakout time frame on the 30. Entry was on the break of the previous high or low. Oh. Time frame 30. High time frame confluence. Break of the previous high or low on the 1 hour. Stop loss basis. Current candle. Stop loss in pips. Was I think like 40. Yeah, 40. Stop loss time frame was the 30. Break even point was the wick fill. Stop loss would be no. The trade idea was a continuation. Liquidity grabbed. Did we get liquidity? I feel like we did. Time frame up. No, we didn't. We didn't get liquidity for that trade. No, we did not get liquidity at all. Right here. No. 0, nil. First partial close was minus 26.4, and it was 0.55. The reason was closure against the trade. Final pip closure was minus 31. The reason was closure against the trade. The profit was in actual fact across the various funded accounts we've got. And today it was I'll need a bloody calculator, don't I? Six, 669, 23. Takeaway. Minus 1285.9. Say that's what, 25? Cool. Why is that not working? Now what, bro? Okay, sure. Sure thing. Yep. Anyway. Fam, I just want this to bloody work. Whatever. Anyway, exit time. We exited at 11:17. 11:17. Time in trade 23 hours. Are you insane, bro? Are you actually insane? How is that? How? 23 hours in the trade, are we? We were 23 hours in the trade? Is that what you're telling me? Is that what you're telling me, is it? How? Bro, how? Are you... This is a... You're taking the piss here. Oh, wait, did I do that wrong? I did that wrong. That's why. Entry was 11:08. Sorry. There you go. Max drawdown was the full 31, bro. Exit opportunity, nope. Outcome, stop loss. OG stop loss hit. Pips, 40. Would BE hit, no. Optimum close if L highest profit was 13, I think. Followed your plan, no. Linked chart, let's get that chart linked up, my boy. You. Copy link. Cool. Alright. Okay. L. But that's okay. W for learning. We learnt. So that means it wasn't really an L. That means it wasn't an L. Because we learnt. You know what I mean? We learnt. So that's okay. Documented it, wrote it down. It's all there. At least in my in the journal. And it's it was like a point something, like a really small loss. Turn this off. But I think that'll be me. It's late. It's 11:32 p.m. where I am. So I might call him there. Go there. Here was a trade. Took that little L. I looked for the buy because this candle got broken. I was looking for the buy, but it didn't do it properly. Or didn't do it fully. I obviously had this marked out. And if we go to the third... turn this off. If we go down to the 30... Where is it? There. Didn't really get a closure above. So, yep. Tried, failed. Come down. That's the trade. That's him right there. And that's okay. You learn. You learn. That's fine. I was impatient because I saw this. I saw this break and I was like, oh my god, yes, it's going to go. But no, I... Look at that right there. Boom. And this was... we picked it here. At this one. This candle. No, this candle. This red candle. I'm like, if this breaks, it'll come back down. Made the support, come down, broke proper. Textbook. Textbook impatience. But that's okay. We learn. And we come back tomorrow and make sure we don't make the same mistake again. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Anyway, that's me. I'll call it there. And then hopefully we'll come again, fingers crossed, tomorrow. and we'll go from there and see what happens. All right, that's me, gang. Peace out. Love ya. Bye.